Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to take a look at how to install Questcraft on your Oculus Quest 2. And you will need to own the official version of Java Edition, and you will have to have SideQuest installed onto your PC. Now, this isn't what you call a straightforward process, and if you pay attention to this tutorial closely, you should have a little bit to no issues. And at the end of the video, if you're having trouble with the infinite loading screen, I have some tips and tricks to help you with that as well. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first thing you want to do is head over to the GitHub page, which I'll link down in the description, and you want to click on the top two files and install them directly to your PC. These are the two core files that are needed to run the game. And once you've done that, open up SideQuest and drag and drop your APK file. Once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to go to the zip file that you've installed and extract it anywhere onto your PC. Now what you want to do next is go to your Quest 2 folder and click on internal storage and just drag and drop your new Android folder into the Quest internal storage, and a pop-up should come up. You just want to click OK, and that is it for the PC side. Now let's hop into our Quest 2 and finish the rest of the tutorial and setup. So you're probably looking around your library and you don't see your Java edition of Minecraft, and all you have to do is go down to this drop down menu, scroll all the way down to unknown sources. Now you will have to have developer mode enabled in order to access the unknown sources. If you like to know how to do that, I will leave a link to the video I made in the description. And this is where it is. You click PoJav launcher. Now this is where people mess up. Most of the time they just like sign with their email and password, and then that's where things get messed up, because you want to select your account, or if you're going to use your email and password every time, just make sure that little checkbox right there is checked. And then I'm going to select my account, and we should be able to see the menu of Minecraft. Now we still have some more things to do. What you want to do is you want to go to this drop down arrow and make sure that you're on Fabric Loader 0.12.12 or whatever the latest version is at the time you're reviewing this video. I know I was at like 1.17 or something, 1.7 something, and then if you have any other version, it just won't work. Then what you want to do is go to Video and Render, which can be found in the settings, and click Renderer, and then you want to be on the third option. This is important, okay? And then once you're all done with that, make sure to restart the headset and you should be good to go. One thing I forgot to show you guys is that even though this is the Java edition of Minecraft, you will have some bugs being because it is not an official port. So if you see blackness, that is a bug. And hopefully, I think it will get fixed in the future. And there's one more thing I want to show you guys. If you go to if you press the bottom one on your left controller, you should bring up the menu right here. And then make sure you click Options, Video Settings, and set the graphics to fast. And then you should get a much better performance. I just have the GUI level at 3, and then max frame rate at unlimited. And the rest of the settings should be like this, so you get the best performance possible. Now mods are supported, and you can go on servers, although that is you still have to do some more setup for that. This is incredible. But if you guys like the video, you know what to do. Subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, try to trick yourself. Peace.